A cat was playing in the garden when she discovered a strange door. As soon as she opened the door, she was pulled in by an unknown force and transported to a strange land. Upon arriving in the strange land, the cat was greeted by a smiling witch cat. The witch cat welcomed her warmly and guided her on an adventure. The witch cat led the cat to a tea drinking spot. After drinking the tea given by the witch cat began to shrink. With her shrunken body, the cat followed the witch cat into the forest of time. The witch cat played hide and seek with the cat. As the witch cat became increasingly transparent, the cat was astonished. The witch cat guided the cat to a maze. The cat found it difficult to navigate the endless maze. Eventually, with the help of the witch cat, the cat arrived at the garden of the terrifying queen. The witch cat suggested a game to the cat with the terrifying queen. If the cat won the game, she could return to her original world. Gathering her courage, the cat faced the terrifying queen. The cat wins the game. The cat said goodbye to the witch cat and returned to the real world. She opened her eyes in her bed, realizing it had all been a dream.